Today is Tuesday, February the 12th. You know, I had this driveway all nice and cleaned up. Early last week. Had it all nicely cleaned up, and I was trying to plow some snow out of there to get that small trailer that's way down there with the wood on it out from down there, and the truck slid off the road and it's over in a ditch. It's only about a foot deep, and it was hung up on the back end, and I've been jacking it up and putting blocks of wood under it and trying to get it out. So far it's been a losing battle. And I went for a load of firewood and I couldn't make the hill up here. And it's not much snow, it's only about 6 inches, but it's really icy underneath. It's 18 degrees out here today. Tomorrow it's supposed to be a little bit warmer, but the wind right now is very cold. And a couple nights ago, this lady brought me 4 or 5 big shopping bags full of freezer burnt meat and fish with steaks and chickens and stuff like that. So the pigs were eating really good. All 3 of you guys in there? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're all in there. These guys got this much hay left here. But the big guys over there, you can see they're almost out on their second bale. We only got another couple of days left, that's it. Anyway, I'm going to give this, I found a dead chicken in the barn. I know what it died from. So the pigs can get it. And I know it's safe to give because it died from it. The others pecked it to death. It wasn't doing well yesterday when I went to feed them. So we'll just throw it to the pigs. No, I don't waste nothing here. Not with pigs. We turn any waste into great pork. Yeah, this is the only place you see the electric wire, right there. See, and the rest right across here, that's it. Everywhere else, it's all under the snow. You can see where the T-posts are, but you can see where they have their trails. And they stay far away from the wire. The closest they've been is right there where the pigs are right now. That's where people stop and get out of their truck and throw them food. Hi, Bessie. How's Bessie? Hmm? How's Bessie? Hmm? Hey, Bessie. How's she go? Hmm? Yeah, that wind is really cold. Oops. Sorry, big guy. Did I disturb you guys? You're all laying down nice? That's all ground corn and ground barley. It's a 1-ton sack. Okay, well, that's about it for today, guys. Just thought I'd check in with you and let you know that it's warmed up to 18 degrees here, and it's supposed to be a couple of degrees warmer tomorrow. We're out of the 25, 35, 40 below for a couple of days. But I gotta try and get that truck out yet, but it's been so darn cold. I was gonna try it today, but this wind has been so cold. And my back's been really bothering me. And yeah, it took 10 gallons of gas to get this driveway open from here out to the road. And it ran out of gas, and I put another half a 5-gallon can in that I had here. And I tried to open up that trailer. The trailer was down there. You'll see the tire tracks beside the plow truck. And even with tire chains on, I couldn't pull out of there. The whole back end of the whole truck went sideways and off the road. So take care, guys, and I'll talk to you again soon.